Welcome to Remedies Food. On this channel, we explore everything food and intuitive eating. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my social medias. I use organic frozen butternut squash, organic frozen green beans, organic frozen corn, small baby yellow potatoes, a half of a bell pepper, a whole bell pepper and a half of an onion, about the whole container of vegetable broth, the whole can of diced tomatoes including the juice, some olive oil, 21 salute seasoning and bay leaves, onion powder and garlic powder, slut dust from the Slutty Vegan. I love this seasoning. Italian seasoning, fresh ground black pepper and Himalayan pink sea salt and not pictured, minced garlic, and half of this package of Beyond Plant ground meat. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is tell y'all what y'all missed from the clips that I lost. So you missed me chopping up a half of an onion. You missed me chopping up one full bell pepper. And you missed me chopping up a handful of the baby yellow potatoes. And that's really all you missed. After that, I sauteed the onion and bell pepper for about 5 minutes. Then I added the potatoes after that, sauteed that another 5 minutes. Then, after I sauteed the potatoes, onion, and bell pepper for 5 minutes, I seasoned everything with the seasons that I showed you. Now, you're caught up, and I'm sorry about the footage again. I really wanted to get this video out for you all, so I was like, forget it. I got to use what I got, and I hope you guys can bear with me. I hope this video is helpful. Get you a little onion keeper. You don't have one? Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington. Get your little onion keeper. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so now what I'm going to do is make a little space right here in the middle. We're going to add our impossible meat right there in the middle. And we're also going to add some minced garlic. Like I said, I forgot to show y'all this in the beginning. Sometimes ingredients just come to me right in the middle. Yeah. Put a little bit of minced garlic right there on top. It's a little foggy up in there. Gotta back up off it. Okay, we're going to brown this up. Oh shit, I forgot I was supposed to be making a TikTok. I recorded the ingredients and forgot to be doing the clip. God damn it. I guess it's not too late. Just say what you already did. I don't do a voice. That's all the ingredients. Okay, we mix it all in just like that. How does it smell, babe? Delicious. Alright, we're going to let this cook for a few minutes and then we'll be back with the rest of our ingredients. Put the top on. About to have to go back out. now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So let's add our butternut squash. We're going to do the whole bag. We're going to do all the green beans. And we're going to do like half a bag. We're not going to do the whole thing of corn. We'll do half a bag. And we're going to do our whole can of diced tomatoes, including the juice. Now we're going to get that nice and combined, mix it all up. Damn, I keep forgetting to film the TikTok. Okay, get this nice and combined. See how hearty that looks? And we haven't even added the vegetable broth yet. So now we're going to add two bay leaves. And when it's done cooking, we're going to take them out. We're going to add 2 bay leaves. We're going to add our vegetable broth. You're going to add enough vegetable broth to cover your vegetables. So that turns out to be almost the whole carton. We only got a little bit left. Add a little bit more. Now we're going to add 2 pinches of salt. And we're going to let all those flavors get combined. We're going to let this simmer on low for an hour. And then we're going to check it, taste it, see if we need to add any more seasoning. And then we're going to be done with our vegetable soup. It's just that simple. So we're going to put the lid on. At 30 minutes you can stir, but you really don't have to. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to put it on low. We're going to put our timer on an hour. And then we'll be back in an hour. Okay, y'all. So it's a little bit less than 20 minutes left on the clock. The soup has the whole house smelling amazing. I'm so ready for it. But I can't eat it until I get out of therapy. But it'll be nice and ready. At this point, you can add a little more broth if you would like. I'm not going to add any more because it's looking good to me. Okay, y'all. I also want to come and tell y'all could definitely make this soup in a crock pot. Say you want to start it in the morning and cook it on low for 8 hours. The only thing I would recommend is to brown your meat or your plant-based meat before you throw it in the crock pot. And then just throw everything in there, turn it on in the morning. By the time you get home, it'll be done. Or if you want to do it before you go to bed at night, wake up and your dinner's ready to go. So I will cook it on low for 8 hours, or I will cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And you can also add beans in here to make it more hearty. And to make it more hearty, you could also eat this over rice. I'm going to eat it just in a bowl with some crackers, but it's plenty of options here. That's what I'm trying to convey to you all. It's not going to a simmer, so I think I'm going to, for the last 15 minutes, I'm going to turn it on medium high to get it to a simmer. So for the last 15 minutes, we're going to put it on medium high to get it to a simmer. Then we're going to turn it off, taste it, and see if we need any more seasoning. Okay, y'all, we got a little rumble. Yes, it smells so good. We got about 7.5 minutes to go. We're gonna let that keep rumbling, and then we're gonna turn it off. Okay, y'all, so now the timer has went off. We still got it at a nice rumble. Gonna give it a quick stir, starting to thicken up a little bit. We like that, we like that. Getting those flavors nice and combined. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna leave it on the eye though. We're gonna leave it on the eye. Cover it back up. We're gonna let it chill. Okay, y'all. It's been some time. I've let it sit up, let those flavors marinate together. I went to therapy. So it's been sitting up on the, it's been off, but on the eye for an hour. I'm gonna taste it and make sure it doesn't need anything else. And then we gonna eat. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, I think that's too high. Delicious. That's delicious. That's perfect. You don't need nothing else. But if at this point y'all tasting it and need something else, go ahead and add it. We good over here. And right now I'm looking for the bay leaves to fish out. I found a piece. If you can find them, go and take them out. If not, you might find them when you get ready to eat, but don't eat the bay leaf, just take it out. We about to serve this up. Get us a good little ladle. Ladle us some soup into our bowl. Give me two big ladlefuls, and then I'm gonna eat it with some crackers. I'm eating it with these. I think they're supposed to be like Ritz, but they're less salty, so that's good. Pretty good, pretty good.